Hey guys, it's the 2nd of December, which means second video of the Christmas series. And today I want to try this, made in England. That was the EP. I don't know this, this lock, but we'll try it. That's the keyway and the bidding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it only 4? Must be a 5th pin there. Anyway, we'll pick it. Hopefully. Hopefully we'll pick it. We'll try anyway. Where did my short hook go? Right there. I need to bend my pick here, I can see. Bend it back into shape a little. It is my Dangerfield hooks. I love these. This is the last one I have, and I have used it a lot now, so yeah, and it's starting to bend. I kind of have a feeling that it's gonna break soon. Hopefully not, because I don't think I have a spare, but yeah. Okay, that was unexpectedly fast. Well, let's try raking, rocking, and zipping and see if that can do anything. Where is my half diamond? Zipped open. That's not my worm. There we go. Worm rake. Raked open. Let's see if we can rock it. I would be kind of surprised if we can't. Yeah. So apparently this was a pretty easy lock to get into. Is it shielded? That's another question I want to get answered. No, I don't think it's shielded. Yeah, I can actually move it. Can I open it though? I can move the locking pile. Oh, get in camera. No. I can move it, but I don't think I can move it enough to open the lock. That's at least something. But a pretty cool lock. Let's get it on the street. Alright. Move along. Let's just put it up on the top for now. We are gonna move them later. So the God and the EP is now on the tree. Alright. If you haven't watched the video, both the first in the Christmas series, which is the previous video, and the video before it, which is the video where I just quickly talk a little bit about what the Christmas series is about, and also talks about the giveaway and how to enter it, which I should have thought a bit more about, but anyway, it's gonna work out in the end. So yeah, go and check those two videos if you haven't already. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.